Hello. Today we are going to learn how to install two hard drives and the serial ATA hard drive. If you notice here, we are going to install serial ATA hard drive purchased by a customer, two of them. So what we are going to do is in this lab, your task is to install both hard drive in the computer. First thing you need to do is to read the motherboard documentation to identify the locations of the internal serial ATA. So first thing first, we gotta go to the motherboard, click on the motherboard. If you notice, the motherboard shows up. So you can go to the detail of the motherboard. Click on here, motherboard's here. Click on the details of the motherboard. And then at the top, you will see specification. Click on the specification. Make this big so you can see the whole thing. On the specifications, you've noticed that number 8 serial ATA connectors. Starting from the bottom, you see number 1, number 2, number 3, 4, 5. You got 5 of them. So you look at the motherboard, this is where they're located. Number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now that you know exactly where the serial ports are located on the motherboard, you exit. So to install the two hard drives, you go to the bare. Here is the actual case. Just take a look at the workspace, the shelf, and you click on the computer, go to the back. Here's the back of the computer, go to the front. Here's the front of the computer, and click on the bare. The bare is where you are the hard drive. A bare is just inside of a computer case. So you go to hard drive, you see there are two, they say 2X hard drive. That means there are two hard drive. Click on here and drag it down here. See the blue? The blue means it's gonna go in there. Now one hard drive remains. Bring it down to the same spot. That's the second one. And now while you are still in the bare, you're gonna add two things: the power and the data cable. For the power, you go to power supply. Look for the one that match. This one right here. Take it down. Take it down to the spot where I thought we took. Hold on one second. I think we gotta put this back in here. You're gonna get to the case, all right. And with the power supply in the case, we are going to look at all of them. One of them is this one right here. Click on the power. Take it to the hard drive where it's supposed to go, right there. All right, and then go on to some more. Another cable right here. Take it to the second hard drive, right there. All right, when that fits in, you're done with that. The next thing is to go to the shelf. There's a shelf right here. There are two cables for data cable. Click on this one. Take it next to the power. Next to the power is the data. All right, one more to go. Click it, take it down. Next to the power of the second drive, you will see the blue dot. Where's the blue? Okay, there you go. There it is. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Let it go. All right. So based on the instructions, we have click on the bare. We have added the drive. We have added the power and the data cable. Second drive, power, second cable. Now we are going to plug this cable to the motherboard. Click on the motherboard. Here comes the motherboard. Remember, we're going to take it one at a time. Take this one and go to the first slot. Oh, wait a minute. What did I say? Yeah, we're gonna take it to the first slot. Let's see what that look like. We're moving things around here. All right. We want to use this cable. Take it to the first one. There you go. We got that one. So we gotta connect the next one. That will be on port number 2. Take it down here. All right. Now we have the data. The 2 data cables are connected. One more thing we got to do is called the port connector. What says plug in the correct power connector from the power supply for both drive. We did that already. The next one is install the ESCT port. So we gotta click on it, go to the port. We're gonna get this port right here. Go to the motherboard. Get this port right here, drag it down to where it's supposed to go. Alright, we get that. And then we're gonna click on this one and put it on this port. We got that. Alright. And now we are going to turn the computer on. Let's see what the next one says. Boot the computer into the BIOS. That means press F2. Let me see where that goes. Alright, you're going to turn to the back, the front of the computer. And then the monitor is right there. Click on the power cord of the monitor. The monitor is up. And the power of the case. And it's coming up. And if you press F2, and that puts you in the BIOS. In the BIOS, you check and see how many hard drive we got. Okay, this is all right. If you pay attention, scroll down. See SATA 88A1, and that is the hard drive. And we put that on SATA 88A4. And that's the port that we connect it to. All right, now we are going to grade our labs. Click on the score and hit score. Wow, we got 100%. The lab report, it shows that we have installed a hard drive into the computer and then also installed the ESAT port connector. You can look at the details. We got all of them correct. All right, and you can hide it and then click on the next one. See the details. Install the port connector. Connect the SATA 88 cable to the motherboard. We've done all of that. Wonderful. All right. So far so good. If you need some help, you type on the slots and call your teacher for help. Thank you so much. We're done for the lab. We got 100%. Wow. Well done. Well done. Well done.